Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're making a shrimp or prawn cream garlic pasta. Really, really super easy, doesn't take any time at all, and delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the ingredients we're going to be using today. At the back there, I've got my pasta. You can be using any type of pasta you want, that's your choice. Some onion, nice and small. Our shrimps or prawns. These are uncooked, they're frozen, so I've just put them under some cold water. Here I've got about a teaspoon of chili powder and oregano. If you don't want this spicy, maybe try some smoked paprika, that would be really nice. Some chopped garlic. Here I've got some cream, I've got a single runny cream. And then optional, I've got some frozen garden peas and a little bit of red bell pepper for some colour. We're going to start this off with some olive oil and we're going to add a touch of salt and pepper. That's it, super easy. Okay, as I said, super easy. So I've got some olive oil in there. You could be using a different oil if you wanted. Chopped garlic, in that goes. And our onion. A little bit of salt. Some black pepper. Now our spices, which is, I'm using chili, you could be using paprika, and oregano or oregano, as some of you call that. Now if you're not using the oregano, you could be using a dried basil or like an Italian mixed herb type thing if you wanted. Okay, so we're on a above medium heat. Let's just get this going, throw this around in the pan for like 2 minutes. There you go, so our onions and garlic and the spices are doing their thing. Pretty much it all goes in now, so let's first get in our shrimps or prawns, our garden peas, which again are frozen. I got them from the freezer, and then a little bit of colour with my bell pepper. So let's stay on this heat and keep stir frying this around in the pan. This time we're going to do like 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so in that time for sure our shrimps are cooked. They cook really pretty much instantly. Now I'm going to go in with that cream. Staying on this heat. Now I'm going to chuck in some pasta, our cooked pasta. And we're going to stir this all in, making sure we get this cream and all that lovely onions and garlics and flavours in, on and around the pasta. And this is going to go for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes of stirring all the time now. We don't want to be mucking about with this because we've got our cream in there now. So keep it moving, and I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Really super easy and delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.